Top crypto trader says Bitcoin bottom is in. It's in. Making BTC prediction over the next 4 months. Bitcoin, could we see a surge happening here in the next couple of months? And let's talk about this and go through this process right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, a popular crypto trader says Bitcoin has hit its bottom and the beginning of the bull run is now imminent. Now, this person says that has over 536,100 Twitter followers, the opportunity to purchase Bitcoin under $20,000 won't last long. Every day, Bitcoin is under $20,000, which is a gift. And I do believe that it is a gift because Bitcoin, into my opinion, is worth more than $20,000. But that being said, 3 months of Christmas feels like more than enough. Send it with haste. Now, he says he uses inverted price charts to compare Bitcoin's bottoming process of 2018 to that of last year. And according to the closely followed trader, both cycles are very similar, supporting the idea that Bitcoin has already bottomed and is getting close to a bull run. Now, this is what he was talking about in terms of the chart. He still believes the bottom is in. Here is one more look at the 2021 all-time high cycle versus 2017 all-time high up is imminent. So here's the comparison. This is 2017, this is 2021. So we're gonna look at the comparison here. We see here, and then we also see here. It looks very, very similar. See the accumulation right there, and the accumulation stage right there. So it does look similar, but we've got to wait and see what happens here. And then the nice little bounce on the retest. You see the chart here, and we also seen that it did bounce up, and it's currently over $20,000. It could come back down a little bit, but we have to wait and see what happens. But I do think that it's time for a rally according to the chart information here. Now, based on this chart, Kaleo is predicting a rally to be the 35,000 level over the next 4 months or so. So if you're a believer in the Bitcoin halving cycle, this is your reminder that extended period with the lack of volatility in the bear market base range is completely normal. So you have to zoom out. Patience pays. So based off this information here, it seems like something is going to happen, especially if we hit the 35,000 level over the next 4 months. There are going to be some happy people around the world, especially if you've been accumulating Bitcoin all this time under the $20,000 range compared to 2017 and 2021. Let's go. Let's see what happens, because that will be fantastic. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain, and you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.